Hey, if you're a small business owner looking for funding, connections, or just knowledge on how to grow your business, this video is for you. I attended the Get Capital event where the room was full of lenders and funding experts dedicated to helping small businesses thrive. I walked away with valuable contacts, event leads, and fresh motivation. Now, in this video, I'm sharing why showing up to events like this can change the game for your business. Don't miss these tips and my takeaways that could help you secure capital and grow smarter. Hi, everyone. It's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, and I just want to share something powerful with you today. Now, today I had a chance to attend an amazing event right here in our city called the Get Capital. The room was full of lenders, financial experts, and people ready to support small businesses like yours and mine. And let me tell you, I walked out of there with the hope that I'm going to get some funding to fix my building. I walked out of there with stacks of contacts, valuable information, and invites to more upcoming events. So, why am I sharing this with you? Because showing up matters. Too often we think opportunities will just come knocking. They won't. You have to get out, be present, ask questions, introduce yourself, and let people know who you are and what your business is about. Now, this one event opened doors I didn't even know existed for funding and networking. I'm now connected to lenders who specialize in helping small business owners just like me. So if you're running a small business and you're thinking, how can I get funded? Or how do I meet the right people? Well, my advice to you is simple. Get out to these events. Find out what's happening locally. Attend conferences. And again, I'll say this. Clean Biz Network's conference is coming up in July. If you're in the cleaning industry, you need to be in the room. So you need to attend conferences, expos, workshops, especially anything tied to a small business resource. And like I say, this information comes from resource centers. Join your local resource center. You never know who you'll meet or what information you'll gain that could change the future of your business. So I'll be sharing more about what I learned and the future events I'll be attending. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment below if you want me to give you updates and tips on funding your small business. I want to thank you guys for watching, and remember, success favors the bold who show up. And in the pictures behind this video, I posted a grant opportunity with Verizon. And so you have to magnify it so you can see it. You have to do a couple courses. It's for a $10,000 grant opportunity. So that's one thing. And then if you're looking for a 0% interest loan, you can go on kiva.org. You can go on Kiva, KIVA.org. It's a 0% interest loan. They don't do credit checks and all that. So just if you need it, look into those options. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next video.
We cover 27 counties from Erie down to Greene over to the Ohio state line through State College. So we have lenders across that footprint. Most of our lenders are preferred lenders in the market. We publish a list of lenders